slow, deep opening. When life hits you, it hits hard. It doesn't warn you. It doesn't prepare you. But remember this: diamonds are born in pressure. Legends are created in darkness. Every time you fall, life is not testing your strength. Life is revealing it. Tone rises, powerful. You are not here to live an average life. You are not here to be silent. You are not here to be defeated. You are here to rise, to break every limit, to prove every doubt wrong, to show the world that your dreams are louder than your fears. Short pause, emotional. Yep, you're tired. Yes, you're hurt. But listen carefully. Even the sun rises after the darkest night. And your night? It's almost over. Stronger tone. The world will not remember your excuses, but it will remember your comeback. No one will clap for your pain, but the world will stand for your victory. Remember, success is not given. It is earned. With tears, with grind, with patience, with unstoppable belief, inspirational rise. One day your struggle will become your power. One day your story will inspire millions. One day people will say, "This person didn't stop. This person didn't break. This person became unstoppable." Climax and epic. So stand up, fix your crown. Look at the world with fire in your eyes. You are not weak. You are not lost. You are not finished. You are just getting started, ending slow, strong. Your time is coming. Your rise is coming. And when you shine, the whole world will remember your name.